Hi, this is Darren from ALO Upholstery and Interiors. Today I'm going to show you how to upholster this tufted bench. So right now I'm just marking how many buttons I want to put on it. So the measurement is 8" top to bottom and 5" side to side. Now I'm going to drill the hole with a 3/8 drill bit. Now I'm using 2.5" firm density foam. Now I'm gluing the top piece with the foam, and this is the type of foam glue that I'm using. To cut the foam, I'll be using this Bosch foam saw. Now I'm marking the foam on the other side with a needle and a marker, so I don't have to measure it again, it's a lot faster. Now I'll be using a 1.5" hole saw to cut up the foam. Now I'm using a blade to cut the foam, so that's where the extra fabric will hide. Now I'm using fiber, so it gives it a nice feel to it. Now I'll be using a button like this with a 2-pound nylon string and a needle. Now I'm fixing the pleat as I go, it makes it a lot easier. Now for the legs, I'll be using 1/4 inch foam. Now to make it slide the fabric in easier, I'm using plastic to wrap the legs first. So the fabric is sewn on one side already with the seam like this. So you want to do this to all 4 sides of the legs. So you want to make sure the stitching of the seam is in the inside. So now I'll be putting the bottom band on. Now I'm flipping the fabric on the other side, and then I'm going to reverse it back afterwards. Now I'm using 1/2 inch cardboard. Now I'm using 1/4 inch foam. So now that I'm done the band, I'll be putting the top piece on and screwing it down. Now I'm just using black lining. So here's how the finished piece looks like. So thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, please give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to like it and share it. Thank you. Bye.